Today is May 13th, 2025. This is the prep for the day, prep for the week. Didn't trade yesterday, missed out on the tariff news. Everything was pretty much pre-market. The day, of course, followed through, had some sideways to up, follow through. Let's just see how it looks like on the weekly, daily, and drill down and get ready for the day. Didn't really have time to trade yesterday, so just stood out and let it go. Weekly, we're pushing higher. If we could get in a close above 59.23s or so, we'll get back up to 60.73, possibly push all-time highs. If we can't get up here and close up here, we may fall back down, I'm guessing, to around 5500s area. But we're at some upper resistance, but we got some strong pushes. We got the sell-off. We're going up. We're above the EMA, above the moving average, 200 moving average for the weekly. So we're still bullish. This was like a nice pullback to get long in. We got a strong bull bar on the weekly. If we can close this, we're going to get some continuation higher, possibly back to all-time highs. On the daily, we're just getting back above the EMA. So we're testing against the moving average. So this can kind of go sideways. Sideways to up, pretty tight bull channel here, sideways trading range. We broke out of that, continue higher. If we just measure that, we're already at almost 2R. Well, pretty much got 2R on this day range. So I don't know how much higher we're going to get there. Didn't want to move that. That was my mistake, whatever that is. Let's see. So let's just measure this bar. If we're going 1R here, we are targeting just around 6,000. I think we will get 6,000 eventually. I don't know if we get it this week, but I think we'll get it eventually. We may pull back down to 57.77 before we continue higher. So we're just sitting and watching. It's got a strong close on yesterday's close, but everything was pre-market. Then we went sideways to see how yesterday looked during the day. Yeah, so we gapped up, went sideways, closed higher, and we're pushing higher. No real gap or anything like that. If we look at the extended trading hours, we had the huge move when the deal went through around 3 a.m. or when it was announced, when news was announced. So then we went sideways and continued higher. So I didn't trade yesterday. I'm hoping to trade the rest of the week, or at least stock some. So here we are on the 30-minute. We're continuing higher. If this closes, I think we continue higher as well. So now I'm just sitting tight. Long bias. VIX is dropping. It's 18. Let's see what some targets are above. What do I have? So 58.95 above. So we're like 15 points away from my upper target. Yeah, 58.95 above, then 911 above that. I think if we fall down, we might get back down to 39, which is right here. If we get back down to 39, and then 17 possibly below that. But we have some structure and stuff going on here that we can pull back to, possibly pull back here. We found some support. We'll see. So those are some levels, and we're just gonna see how it trades, get down, go from there. Long bias, only stocking longs, only limit and stop entries, and let's see how the day starts to pan out. 15 minutes in, we may reverse here, or we go sideways and then push higher. I'm thinking with the VIX going lower, we're gonna drift up, barring any other news. No more news today, but the tweet is a tweet away.